Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab M7 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead, tap on display section and scroll down. Then manage auto rotation thanks to this switcher next to auto rotate screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!